So I got the first of Nick's new hi-fi speakers for his house or wedding. Gonna use them for both. Anyway, got the first one done a couple days ago. Now it's time to get the second one finished up. I already got tweeter mount printed, heat press insert, and sealed and screwed to the front of this. So this was kind of the idea. We weren't sure what tweeter we're gonna go with. So there we go. All we do is put a hole in the back wall for the speaker wires. Bottom hole. Next step is going to be get this wired up and then get into there. I'm not going to show too much of the process because I kind of need to just get it done, but I'll give you the quick rundown as I go. First thing we're going to do is grab some of this here 16 gauge off this here spool. Oh, we got a max. Whoop. Hey, buddy. So the way the wires connect to this, it's like a quick connect push terminal. Like that. Now well, not all of us know, but I'm going to assume you know how to connect those. We're going to skip to all these connected. And something like that. Now we add a little bit of Tech Flex and put it in. And boom, like that, we're 5 minutes later and almost ready to go. Wires in the hole. Boom. And then we just put a couple screws in. Good to go. All right. That's ready to go. Now we got to wire the 5.5s in series and then parallel. Series coils parallel together. I can tell this is one of the ones I've had for a while. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, open the box. Oh, Lord. And just like that real quick. These are wired in series. They will parallel together. And we'll get them in the box. So these are going to get filled with insulation. Now that way you can hear the difference between no insulation and insulation and no insulation. Oh, I know, dude. Oh my good boy. Right, I'll get these screwed down, and then we'll put some insulation in. Put the passive radiator on, and those are mounted. Now insulation. And I say insulation. It's a word. This is a black hole stuff. This is called stuff, and we're just going to kind of tear it up and put it in there. Normally, you would basically just stuff it full, but I only have so much of it here, and I do want to do the other speaker tonight or tomorrow sometime. That ought to do. And then eventually, I want this to come back out. We'll do some black hole tiles along the back to eat up some back wave stuff, and it'll be sick. Passive radiator on. Now just gotta borrow the tweeter off the other one. Put tweeter in here. Boom. ScanSpeak 2904. Right, now using DATS V3, any DATS would work. We're going to run an impedance sweep on the mid woofers here, the woofers, and that's going to give us an impedance output graph, and we'll be able to see where the tuning is of this enclosure. And there's the graph. So the bottom of the peak, these two troughs will be the tuning. But while things turn on, one habit I'm now officially in is just to clean up, put stuff up as you're going. That way you don't have a gigantic mess to clean whenever you're done. Turn the DD amp on. Play. Whoop. Give the song a play. Remember, this is no tuning, so just crossover set. Okay, let's turn the crossover down a little bit. Let's go for it. That's probably it for tonight on that one. We'll I got to get one of the other ScanSpeaks from the warehouse to finish tuning put them together, tune them both. And I want to measure them both side by side, one without the stuff and one with the stuff, to really see the difference, right? So me and Max are going to go to bed. Don't tell him good night, dude. He said good night.